This is a 1957 Olds 88 convertible. There's an interesting story behind it, and you'll find it on the plaque in front of the car, which will be at the end of the video. But suffice it to say, it's been completely restored. Beautiful white paint with red two-toning, black top, white and red interior. A gorgeous car. The background story is that the owner and his wife had another 1957 Oldsmobile hardtop, but it was stolen, and unfortunately never surfaced. So it just shows you that in the back of your mind, oftentimes these things don't fade, and you would like to recreate those days when you had the original car. So they found this car in San Diego, went out there and purchased it, and then did a total restoration of the car. And interestingly enough, this car, underneath this paint, has the same original paint, pink and white, that the 57 hardtop had that they had stolen. So you never know. An interesting coincidence. Too bad the windows are up. It was a fair day, and too bad we can't get a better view of the inside, but I have other videos of Oldsmobiles, and you can check on that and see the interior dash and so on. And in a minute we're going to check that plaque, and you'll see for yourself what the story is behind this car. And there it is. So this is indeed a treasured memory of a past Oldsmobile that they had in previous times.